đó. Right. So we're gonna continue our lesson today about time. Last time we stopped at yeah, Aris, what's wrong?
What time does the tuition end?
Again, I can't hear you. Can you speak?
What time does the tuition end?
Huh?
What
He's,
time does the
he
tuition?
says what time does the class end?
Oh, I thought this is the class end. Because we start at 8:05, so we're gonna end at 9:05. Is that okay with you?
Okay.
All right. Right. Okay. So, the last time we stopped at division. Okay. Oh no, the last time we stopped at multiplications. So so today you're gonna continue with division and a little bit of problem solving questions, and they will be good for this chapter, for this topic. All right, division of time. So how do you divide your time? All right. So there's gonna be two category like yesterday like last week you learned that when you do basic operations, mathematical operation with time, sometimes the unit will change, sometimes the unit does not change, right? Okay, example from maybe days changing to hour, maybe weeks go to days. Okay, so the example here, you have 4 days and 22 hours. You divide by 2. So 4 hari 22 jam is divided by 2. So this is a basic basic division. Just do simple division like you always do. All right. Simple calculation like you always do. I already learned this chapter. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Can you calculate Ray? In this under my tutor, you have to follow through all the chapters. Even though you have learned in school, some of your friends may not have learned this. Okay, so we're gonna learn together. If you have learned, then that's good. So I expect that you can answer. All right. So 4 days and 22 hours. Um, can you guys copy these questions? Yeah, I want you guys to take notes. Copy these questions on your notebooks. Make sure that you put the date today. What is the date today? Let's say today is 29. So put on your date. Write down your date. And then I want you guys to I mean, this question is pretty easy, but I want you guys to try to do the calculation.
Teacher, I'm done.
Then, okay, what is your answer? I put it in the chat box, as always. Okay, the answer is 2 days and 11 hours. So who got other answer? Tell me, what is your answer? What is your answer, Silmi?
Today's 11 hours.
Today is in 11 hours.
The answer is 2 days and 11 hours.
Okay, Ray. Today in 11 hours. Aris? Today is in 11 hours too. Okay. Nadra?
Same. Are the same.
The same. Zara? Or okay, so I believe that everybody is done. So the answer is 2 hours, 2 days and 11 hours. So basic calculations, just divide as you normally do. Sorry, saya baru masuk. Okay, Hafia tahu tak what are you going to do? Hafia? So Hafia, we will do so we continue our topic today with discussion about time. So hari ni kita buat division of time, and then we're going to do a little bit of problem solvings for you. Okay. All right, so the next question is division of times that involves unit. Okay, let me you know what? Let me insert a sheet here. Yes. All right, okay, please. Okay, this one involving units, meaning that you might need to change your unit. 10 weeks, 5 days is divided by 3. So how many weeks you get? How many days? Can I go to get some? Yes, okay, go. Go get some more, but make sure you continue doing this, yeah? Make sure that you finish. Make sure after you get your water, come do the exercise. All right, so please copy this down. Oh my God, okay. What is wrong with my internet connections?
Assalamualaikum teacher.
Waalaikumsalam.
Minta maaf teacher sebab saya masuk lambat.
It's okay. No. Okay, it's okay. So please copy the question, Sharuk. Please copy the question and try to answer.
Saya masuk lambat sebab saya mengaji.
Oh, okay, okay, it's okay. Teacher, I don't really understand these questions. Okay. All right. So
Teacher, I'm done.
you're done?
Yeah.
Who's done? Is it Ray? Okay,
Teacher,
put your
the answer is 3 weeks and 5 days.
okay, let me do it together. Okay, because somebody in the class does not understand the question. All right. So a question is asking you what is 10 weeks and 5 days divided by 3? Means you divide 10 weeks and 5 days with 3. So basically you have to divide lah. Divide as usual. So 10 weeks and 5 days divide by 3. Do the normal. Do normal division.
So do I put my answer in the chat?
Yeah, put your answer in the chat box. What is the answer? Yeah. Let me check first.
Teacher, I already found the answer.
Okay. Oh, if you have the answer, please put your answer in the chat box. Okay, everybody. I need to. Three weeks and 4 days, 3 weeks and 5 days, 3 weeks and 4 days. Right, the answer is 3 weeks. The answer is 3 weeks and 4 days. All right. 3 weeks and 4 days. Okay, I see somebody is saying.
Put 3 weeks.
Yeah? What is it?
Wait.
Yes? Yes, what is it?
3 weeks and 4 days, I'm correct.
All right, okay. So, so for those who write 3 weeks and 5 days, do you know why the answer is wrong? Do you know why the answer is 4 days, not 5 days? Okay, I see like most of you got the correct answer, 3 weeks and 4 days. It's because so when you do division, when you divide 10 weeks by 3, you will have 1 remaining weeks. Do not neglect this one, okay? Do not neglect 1 remaining weeks. What you have to do is convert 1, because 1 week equal to 7 days, right? 1 week equal to 7
days.
7 days. So what you do is that you convert 1 days to you convert 1 week to days. So you convert 1 weeks, you get 7 days. So add your 7 days to your 5 days. Now the total days that you have is 12 days. 12 days ni yang you need to divide with 3. So when you divide with 3, you get 4. When you times 4 with 3, you get 12. So that's why the answer is 4 days and not 5 days. Okay, for those who do, okay, 10 minus 9 is 1 week, and then you just bring down 5 days. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Because you have another 1 week left. 1 week, this 1 week here, you need to convert it to days, because 1 week is equal to 7 days. All right, do you guys understand? Okay, who is still doing these questions? Raise up your hand. Syarul?
No problem lah teacher.
Syarul mana Syarul? Huh?
My line is problem.
Okay. But did you hear me?
Sekejap dengar, sekejap ada teacher. Dia sekejap
Alright, okay.
terkeluar.
Look at your chat me, okay? Chat me. Buat exercise ni tak? Sekarang ni yang dekat screen ni.
Tengah buat.
Tengah buat? Who else is still doing? Izara, are you doing? Izara? Where's Izara? Are you listening to me? Izara, do you have your answer? Me to have your Ardina. No, sorry to everyone in the meeting. Where's Izara? Are you still doing it, or can you answer me? Oh, internet is being so slow right now. Please, because I want to proceed with other questions, yeah, please let me know if you have problem or not. Sharol, did you finish? Where's Sharol? Okay, it's okay. All right, it's okay. So for the rest of you, we'll do the next questions. All right, okay. So this is a problem solving question. Please copy this down in your notebook. And then please try to answer this question lah. Okay. Problem solving question.
I give my answer.
Already got the answer.
I
Okay,
already
wait,
got
yeah.
the answer.
Put your answer in the chat box, okay? 7 weeks and 5 days, okay. Others, put your answer. I want to see your answer. Okay, the answer is 3 weeks and 6 days. Okay, Aris says 7 weeks and 5 days. Sarah 7 weeks and 5 days. Okay. 7 weeks and 4 days. Okay, the rest 7 weeks and 5 days. Okay. Who else? All right. So let's do this together. Most of you answer 7 weeks, 7 weeks. Only one answer 3 weeks and 6 days. The rest 7 weeks, 4 days, 7 weeks, 2 days, 7 weeks, 5 days. Okay, let's answer this together. So, who wants to read the questions?
Hey,
Okay,
teacher Hafifi.
Yeah?
Hafifi.
Okay, Afifi, read the question.
Melissa traveled to Indonesia recently. She stayed in 3 hotels in Jakarta. She spent 2 weeks and 4 days in each hotel. Calculates the time she spent staying in the 3 hotels.
Okay, so Melissa traveled to Indonesia. She stayed in 3 kinds of hotels. In each hotel, she spent about 2 weeks and 4 days. So calculate the time spent she spent. The
The
time spent
answer is
staying
7
in.
weeks and 2 days.
All right. Okay. Let's see. So basically, what you need to do is, so if in one hotel you spend 2 weeks and 4 days, Melissa, 2 weeks and 4 days. What about in 3 hotels, right? So basically, what you have to do is, all right. Okay. So what you have to do is, multiply with 3 because one hotel Melissa spent about 2 weeks and 4 days. So kalau another hotel pun, the second hotel pun is the same time, and the third hotel pun is the same time. So basically you have to time with 3, 2 weeks and 4 days kena multiply with 3. So what you get is 4 times 3 is 12 days. 2 Okay, 2 times 3 is 6 weeks.
6.
Then what happened next is that what you have to do next. This is not complete yet. Now that you have 12 days here, what I taught you earlier last week.
The one must go to the 6, so
the
equals
weeks,
7.
right? Because this one is
So
12.
equals
So you have
7.
to make this 7. You have to take out 7. Take out 7, make it 7 make it 7 here. Take out you minus 12 minus 7, it becomes 5. So the remaining is 5 days here because you have you have taken out 7 and then bring it here. So the answer is 7 weeks and 5 days. Who got it right?
Me teacher Fifi.
Okay. All right. Okay, this is okay for those. Do not rely on this multiplication. This is just to confuse you. I wanted to see whether you copy or you do your own calculation. You do your own calculations. All right, I have another questions for you. Because it's not here. All right, another questions for you. Yeah. Eraser. My internet is a bit problem today. It's a bit slow. Right, okay, so we're gonna do another multiplication questions and another 3 of divisions to make sure that you guys really getting a good getting the concept. Okay, please do number 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you guys have 10, please put your answer in the chat box. Where's my book?
Teacher, I'm done with the questions.
Yes?
I'm done.
You're done for all questions?
Yeah, all the multiplications.
1 through 4.
Yeah, I'm done.
If you have finished number 1, please put your answer in for number 1.
Can I put all?
Okay, if you have finished all, yeah.
Teacher, I'm done for multiplication.
Alright, put your answer, yeah.
Okay.
Put your answer 1, 2, 3, 4. Two. Okay, tell me what number you don't understand. Alright, let's have a friend. Okay, tell me, this is multiplication question. Which number do you not understand? You wanna try to do it with me? Number 3. Okay, 16 years and 8 months. Okay, let's do it together. 16 years. 16 years. Y and 8 months is multiply with 3. Okay. Right. So do the normal calculation. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Remember to bring down your month, your units. So units here is in months, so that you do not forget. 16 times 3. 16 times 3. What is 16 times 3? So 3 is 18, right? 1 times 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. 48. So your your initial answer should be 48 years and 20. Okay, then from these, okay, in 1 year how many months ada? Ada berapa bulan? Satu tahun ada berapa?
Cikgu lag.
Lagi. Alright, again, I ask you, in 1 year ada berapa bulan?
12.
12.
12.
Okay, 12 months. This one is in 24 months, which is equal to 2 years, right? Betul tak?
Betul.
If 12 months is equal to 1 year, then if 2 years equal to 24 months lah. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then what you have to do is convert, tukarkan this 2 years. Plus add 2 years here, another 2 years. This one becomes 0 because you have convert everything. 24 months, everything into years. So it becomes 50 years. Okay. The answer is 50 years. This one involves a change of unit lah. I mean, 24 months is also correct. But then when you say 24 months, normally people would think it as a year. 24 months is equal to 2 years. So simplify it, make it 2 years. Okay? Macam Ray, I believe that your answer is all correct, but then you did not change. You did not change your answer to macam number 1. Oh. Alright, number 1, your units is wrong, yeah. It's weeks and days, not years and days. Check your units back. Ray. Number 1 is weeks and days, not years and days. The rest of you. 42 weeks and days. Okay, number 1 is 40. It's okay. You learn from your mistake. That's how you know. Right, so number 1 is... So who has finished number 1?
Me.
Say your name, say your name. Okay.
Ray.
Alright, okay, so Ray says 30. Okay, the answer is number 1. Let me... Oh no. Okay. The answer... Oh my goodness. Okay, the answer for number 1 is 30 weeks. 30 weeks and 5 days. 30 weeks and 5 days. All right. I want to see what are your answers. 42 years and 8 days. The rest, what about the rest of you? Do you get 30 weeks and 4 days?
Yes.
Yes. Sharul?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Silmi? Do you get 30 weeks and 4 days? Sorry, my mic problem. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Alright, okay. 30 weeks and 5. The answer is so the answer is 4 days. Let's check your calculation. Alright, okay, so we have 14 weeks. We have 14 weeks and then 9 days, right? 9 days. So you multiply with 2. Over here you put 2. Okay, 9 times 2 is 18 days. And you have 14 times 2. 14 times 2 is equal to what? Okay, do another small calculation here. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 28. So the answer is 28. Initial answer is 28 weeks. All right, like I say, okay, bring down your week. Bring down your days. 1 week ada berapa hari?
7.
7 days. 1 week ada 7 days. Check your days here. Is this 7
7.
or is it more than 7? Your answer here is your answer here is more than 7. So it becomes whatever that is more than 7, you have to convert it to weeks. Tukar kepada weeks. Okay. Now that you have 18. So 7. So nak keluarkan 7 times 2 is 14, right? Okay, you boleh keluarkan 14 hari. From 18 ni keluarkan 14. Okay, buang 14 hari. Because kenapa 14? Sebab 1 kali 7, 7. Okay, for 1 week. Another week, second week, you darab dengan 7 lagi, you get 14. If you darab dengan 3 minggu pula, 3 times 7, you get 21. Okay, your number up until 18 je, tak sampai 21. Kalau you ada 21, then you tolak terus 3 minggu bagi ke sini. Tapi you only have up to 14 weeks je. So keluarkan 14 minggu, baki ada 4 hari lagi. Okay, baki is 4 days. So what do you do with the 14 days that you take out? Yang ini 14 hari ni you bring to this section, bawa dia kepada minggu. So 14 hari is equal to 2 weeks, right? So what does that mean? That means that you have to add to another 2 weeks dekat 28 minggu ni. 28 minggu tambah 2 jadi 30 minggu. And then macam biasa, now that the baki tadi dah jadi 4 hari, baki yang ni. So the answer is 30 weeks and 30 weeks and 4 days. Okay. Alright. Rania, okay Rania? Rania, okay? Okay, I believe okay. So check your answer. If you got wrong, please check your answer. Compare your calculation with mine. Tengok which one, where did you get wrong. Okay, for number 2, let's do number 2. For number 2, right? Okay. So what is the answer for number 2, people? Who wants to volunteer? What is your answer? I see that Aris answered to 94 days and 4 hours. Sheree answered 92 days and 42 hours. Silmi says 42 days and 8 hours. Others? Teacher, did you call me Rania? Did I? I don't remember. Yeah, what's your name? Zara or Rania? Okay, sorry Zara. Okay, it's okay. So I just wanted to know whether your answer for number 2. 94 days and 52 hours. Okay, 94 days and 52 hours. Right, so you almost got correct. I mean, the correct answer is 90. The answer is 94 days and 4 hours. 94 days and 4 hours. Okay, who got 94 days and 4 hours? Okay, Aris. Okay, for those yang dapat 52 hours ni, let me explain to you again ya. 23 days and 13 hours multiply with 4. Okay. 3 times 4 plus 52 hours, and then you have 23 times 4. Okay, do a small calculation here. 23 times 4 is 4 times 12, 92. Okay. Initially, this is your answer, 92 days and 52 hours. Okay. Then again, what you have to do is bring down your days, bring down your hours, days and hours, evaluate your days and hours. Okay. One day, how many hours? Satu hari ada berapa jam?
24 hours.
Alright, 24 hours. Okay, then when you have your 24 hours here, you check back your 52 hours. Okay, is it more? Is this answer more than 24 or less? Okay, sini cannot hear. Silmi, can you look at the screen? Focus on the screen je. Kelas habis 5 minit ya, another 1 minute. Okay, so this is going to be our last questions. Alright, so 24. Because now that your 52 is more than 24, you have to take sum. Buat jadi days. Okay, because 24 hours equal to 1 day. So let's say lah, okay, kalau 2 hari berapa jam pula? 48 jam kan? 48 hours. Okay, so 2 days equal to 48 hours. Okay, now I think you can take 48 hours. Take 48 hours from 52. So buang 48 because you want to transfer. You tukar dia jadi hari. Transfer dia ke sini. So 52 tolak 48 berapa guys? How much? How many? (52 minus 44 is equal to 4 hours. Alright, so you have to take out 50. Keluarkan hari. 24 days. Okay, dalam 52 hari ni ada 24 hari, betul. Tak keluarkan yang boleh jadi hari. Maksudnya dalam 52 hari ni ada 48 hari yang bersamaan dengan 2 days. Dalam 52 hari, kita ada 52 hari. Dalam 52 hari, ada 48 hari yang bersamaan dengan dalam 52 jam, 52 hours, ada 48 hours. 48 hours ni bersamaan dengan 2 hari already. So what you have to do is keluarkan dia. Keluarkan 48 hours ni. Keluarkan dia daripada 52 ni. Buang dia. Jadikan dia hari. Maksudnya kita tambah hari dekat sini. So 92 you add with 2. So it's jadi 94 days. So bila you dah buang 48 days, 48 hours tadi, your remaining hours is 4 je tinggal. You have remaining 4 hours dekat sini. So your answer sebab you dah tambah, you dah bagi 48 hari kat sini. 48 hari tu bersamaan dengan 2. You dah bagi 48 jam. 48 jam tu bersamaan dengan 2 hari. So 2 hari ni kena letak dekat sini lah. Tak boleh letak dekat awas because dia dah jadi hari. So dia letak dekat hari. So now 92 plus dengan 2 hari equal to 94. Hours that you have here, 44 hours dekat sini. So your answer should be 94 days. The answer is 94 days and 4 hours. Alright, so do you guys understand kenapa jawapan dia 94 days and 4 hours?
Yes, teacher.
For those yang dapat 52 hours ni, what you have to do adalah, siapa yang dapat 52 jam ni, you kena keluarkan. Make some of it jadi days. Keluarkan dia jadi days. You cannot have more than 24 hours in your answer. Faham? If you have more, you tukar jadi days. If you have more lagi, tukar lagi jadi days. Faham? Until your answer dekat hours ni kurang daripada 24. Because for satu hari is equal to 24 hours. Satu hari equal to 24 jam. Alright, okay. Do you guys have any questions? I think we should start the class now. Any questions?
No, teacher.
Oh,
Teacher.
Teacher.
yeah? Yeah?
Can you next week you teach this again?
We have schedule. Next week is going to be another topic. But after we finish all the topic, we will go back to this. We will discuss again soalan-soalan baru untuk you punya exam. Okay.
Okay, tapi sebab saya masih ada yang tak faham sikit.
Okay. If you tak faham, message teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. What about the rest? Are you guys okay?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, I want to take attendance. Who's not here? One, Sharul is here. Sharul here, Putri here, Silmi here, Zara here. So Aris already left. Afia and Nadra. Okay. Aris. Alright, okay, that's it for today's class. See you guys next week.